Alright guys, I'm running this again for Matt. He's got more autographed baseballs. Here we are going to go live 8:18 p.m. We'll type live. We are live 8:18 p.m. 8:18 p.m. We'll grab the list. 20 spots. Or 35 spots, sorry. 35 spots. At 4. Alright. We will drop this into random. 35 entries. Dan on the bottom. Dan on top. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 9. That's good. We're going to go 9 times. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice shows a 9. Next click wins. Good luck. And 9. Congrats to Joel. Spot 19. You are the winner. Get in touch with Matt and collect the baseballs. We are done. 8:19 p.m. We will go back. Type done. We are done. 8:19 p.m. 8:19 p.m. Here is timestamp and the verification.